share with you the latest available products in our stores together with our store assistants. For today's episode, we are going to be visiting Ace Las Piñas, Ace Bicutan, and Ace San Francisco.
Ito po yung aming GEM Portable Barbecue Grill. Kung saan po, less hassle na po ito, hindi nyo na kailangan magsiga po or magbabago pa ng uling. Ganun lamang po as i-open po natin siya. Pag in-open po ninyo ito po yung ating governor. So kung saan po ito pong ating grill ay merong anti-explosive system o para hindi maging delikado.
Today, I'm gonna introduce to you our Ace Microfiber Dust Mop.
The mop head is made of premium microfiber material. It can effectively trap and hold dirt, dust, and other debris, making your floors spotless. The mop head is removable and machine washable.
Ang i-demo po natin ngayon ay impact drill. So itong impact drill po natin is low weight po siya, kaya ensure the drill is easy to use and it reduces user fatigue. So ganda nito, yung back niya po is rubber na. Ini-increase nito yung comfort to the user.
Nag-iisang electronic fingerprint seal. Special features nito is fingerprint. By just scanning your fingerprint, dahil nakabilis yung pagbukas ng hindi na siya less hassle talaga partner. For example, marami yung pinaka-susi niya, it has 3 locking system.
Tsaka hindi siya mahirapan lalo pag ginamit natin gusto kasi may manual naman siya instruction, madali siyang sundan.
I hope you enjoyed today's episode, and if you wish to purchase any of our items, you can call number 11223, shop via Shop SM, or visit any Ace Hardware stores nationwide. Please also don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Please do follow us also on our social media platforms on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. See you on the next episode. Thanks for watching!